Hey, what's up, guys? This is my first review on the Ultra connection kit. Nice, nice leather case. So what we got here is a rj11 micro headset, rj45, firewire, USB AM/AF cables, USB extender, USB adapter or rj45 adapter, firewire, USB adapter, and another USB adapter with AM/AF cable, mini 4-pin. So this one's right now, it's hooked up to my my printer that is apparently out of ink. Go me. But all these are, they just extend with no problem. So they really come in handy. And they're not that hard to get out, very simple. It's really good to have something like this, and just in case, you know. But yeah, I just thought I'd share with that. And enjoy, guys.